Hey everybody. My wife and I recently visited Boston for a few days, and while we were there, we walked the Freedom Trail, and one of the stops on it in the north end is Copp's Hill Burying Ground. It is a cemetery with a lot of historical figures and some history to the site itself. So we're going to include a little bit of the historical information and share our walk around the cemetery with you. We hope you enjoy.
Copp's Hill Burying Ground. Copp's Hill Burying Ground is the final resting place of merchants, artisans, and craftspeople who lived in the North End. Some notables buried in Copp's Hill are fire and brimstone preachers Cotton and Increase Mather, Old North Church sexton Robert Newman, the man who hung the lanterns on the night of Paul Revere's ride, and countless free African Americans buried in a potter's field on the Charter Street side of the site. Because of its height and panoramic vistas, the British used this vantage point to train their cannons on Charlestown during the Battle of Bunker Hill. The epitaph on Captain Daniel Malcolm's tombstone at Copp's Hill is riddled with the marks of vengeful British bullets, often open to the public.